Hello guys, I want to introduce you to my friend Israel and his restaurant. He has some amazing cheap and really good tacos. So if you're here by La Puerta, he has the restaurant La Fogata. It's right in front of Oxxo in La Puerta. So if you guys can see back there, and out there there's the La Fogata and the restaurant here. So when you visit here Ixtapa, Zihuatanejo, when you're hungry, you don't want, and you're tired of all the things that you see in Ixtapa, and you want some real Mexican authentic tacos, it's here in La Puerta. If you're visiting here Ixtapa, Zihuatanejo, I would very much recommend La Fogata. The prices are phenomenal and the food is delicious. They are open from 11 a.m. to 3 a.m. Can you believe it? Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Israel and I am inviting you to my restaurant, La Fogata. Come over here and enjoy a huge variety of plates. We have potatoes, we have tacos, a lot of other things you can enjoy with your family. We're gonna be here waiting for you from 11 a.m. to 3 a.m. We're gonna be here waiting. We invite you and you can enjoy everything we have. We'll be waiting for you. And don't forget, they also do deliver. So if you're here craving real authentic Mexican food, give my friend Israel a call and let him know Alejandro sent you. Until then, see you when you get here. Like and subscribe.